Hi and welcome back into this channel and thank you very much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you or I'm going to teach you how to fix if the ad music is not showing in your Instagram. So first, what you will need to do is to simply log out and log in to your Instagram account. So for some users, logging in and logging back in successively has helped them in reinstating the add music option to your new post on Instagram. So to do this, you'll just need to tap on the profile in your Instagram and then tap the sandwich button at the top right corner of your screen and then select settings, and you'll need to scroll down to log out and you'll just need to tap on it. Next is to check the internet connection of your device. So often when the internet connection is not stable, then the features will not work, and sometimes the options like add music won't even show. So this happens as the page doesn't load properly. So you will need to review your internet connection, check if other apps that depend on the internet to work are running or not. And if not, then contact the ISP and seek technical help. But alternatively, you may toggle between enabling and disabling the flight mode. So this often works in fixing any network issues. And secondly, you can connect your phone to any other Wi-Fi network that may be available at the moment and then access Instagram to create your post. So with a stable internet connection, I'm sure the add music option along with other options will be visible on the app. So next, what you can do is update Instagram. So to fix any bugs, you can update Instagram to the latest version that is available. So to update your Instagram, you'll just need to launch the Play Store and then go to the tap onto the Gmail avatar and then select Manage Apps and Device and then tap on the updates available and then scroll down until you see the Instagram section here. And then if this update button is available, just click on it. And that is how you update your Instagram. And if you are using an iOS device or using an iPad, just open the App Store and then go to your tap on Apple ID avatar, and then search for Instagram in the section where the other apps are waiting to be updated. So next is to tap update to begin the installation of the new version. So next is to simply clear the cache of the Instagram app. So this method is exclusively for the Android version of the Instagram app. Clearing the cache will release the junk file stored in it. And often when I see the missing add music option while creating a new post for Instagram, I use this troubleshooting method. The add music option reappears. So to clear the cache of your Instagram app, you'll just need to long press on the Instagram app icon on the app drawer. So from the shortcut menu, select App Info. And then under that, tap on Storage and Cache, or just click on Storage Usage. And then tap on the Clear Cache. And after this, you'll just need to relaunch your Instagram app. Lastly is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. So often uninstalling the app and reinstalling fixes various glitches in the apps. And you can do the same for Instagram as well. So you can just long press on the top up icon of Instagram, and from the shortcut menu, select the uninstall and confirm. And then you'll just need to reinstall the app after that. So that is all for this video, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.